Welcome back to my final morning podcast appraisal on Friday the 8th of July with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Tantec Markets. We're going to look at gold, and I sort of started to discuss yesterday a possible running out of steam on the gold rally, and it has seemed to be that case today. Very slightly corrective candle yesterday. Nothing too significant, but it has sort of meant that we've now seen the first lower low, or daily lower low, for 6 days after 6 positive candles, and a very slightly corrective move that has edged lower a little bit again today. Now look at these momentum indicators. RSI back below 70, arguably a crossover sell signal, although very basic is that signal is a very basic one. Crossover sell signal on the stochastics as well. These are all sort of profit-taking triggers. I would rather not. I mean, I'm not going short. Certainly not on gold. I think gold is a buy into weakness rather than a sell to these levels. But certainly these couple of candles are just questioning the near-term run higher. Maybe the profit-taking could be about to come in. Now, what you've seen is last couple of days just drifting lower on the momentum indicators across the board on the hourly, breaking that uptrend on the hourly, and coming back into this band of support, which is sort of 1338 to 1358 band of support there. 1350 basically was yesterday's low, so that is initially supported, but 1338 was the reaction low that we saw on Tuesday, and that is your sort of line of support there, and that is to maintain this near-term bullish outlook. If you lose 1338, I think you could be back at 1306 again, but ultimately I think 1306 would be a very good medium to longer term buying opportunity if were to be seen. So bear that in mind. But you do get a lot of volatility on gold on the payrolls today. Gold is a safe haven, so any sort of strength in the payrolls report that drives a risk appetite rally, that would be corrective for gold. So keep that in mind ahead of the report. Don't forget my payrolls report webinar that I have at 1:15 today. You can sign up to that on the website. But I think that gold is just sort of in this little holding pattern now ahead of the payrolls report, and I think payrolls will drive a bit of near-term direction. But ultimately, if it is lower, I think it will be a buying opportunity. So I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I'll speak to you again on Monday. Thank you.